This time once again for The Law and You, featuring award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, it's a pleasure to see you today.
Before we get started, I have a question.
What do you have?
Is winter over?
Winter is not over,
Okay.
and I hate to tell you, but in winters like this, March, April tend to be interesting.
Snowy?
So, could be snowy.
All right.
Estimating it's going to be a little colder.
Could
You
happen.
don't want to say that, do you?
All right, here's our legal question tonight, and this is from Harry in McAdoo. Harry says, I worked in a shipyard in Baltimore for many years. I was recently diagnosed with mesothelioma. I see ads on TV for this all of the time. Could I have a case? And if Harry does, how does he even begin with this process?
Right. So Harry, the mesothelioma, it's very unfortunate that you have this. It's a type of cancer. It's a type of cancer that is caused by exposure to asbestos. And working in a shipyard for many years, asbestos was used a lot in shipbuilding. So you definitely have a potential claim. You see the ads on television. One of the things that you're going to need to do is get to a lawyer that specializes in asbestos claims, because finding the defendant and making sure those defendants paid into this particular fund that's set aside for these claims, that really becomes the issue on these cases.
And what Ed's talking about is there's a trust fund set up with billions of dollars in it that's been paid in by the defendants. You also have to identify what type of work you were doing, because there's other industries besides shipbuilding that see it, guys who've done insulation work, electricians, but you basically have to identify where you work and how it happened. So it's a little complex, but you can't do this on your own. You definitely need a lawyer.
All right, good advice. Our viewers who want to talk to you, how can they do that?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
And add one last thing. You must get your medical records to prove that you do have this type of cancer, because there's only one way that you can get mesothelioma, which is through exposure to asbestos.
Right.
All right, results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks so much. We'll see you tomorrow.
You got it.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are always open.